Thanks for clicking on this video. If you enjoy it, please do consider clicking the like and subscribe button onto the video. So just had this arrive in the post, which is me attempting to give some semblance of order to my watch collection. So first of these kind of boxing style things that I've done. So let's just get this open. There we go. Let's see, this is a Wolf packaging. Very cool. Again, not something I've spent super loads on. Thought I would share it anyway. So there's the key for it. A nice little sleeve. And we just open this up. Get that out of the way. We can get, I really do need to get a tripod. Get to the box itself. Let's move that stuff out the way. And here you go. So I think what we need to do is move this piece of cardboard, and you can see all the slots in there. So I've gone for a 10 pillow case. I think they do it in a few different variants, but this is looking pretty cool like this. So I'll just get my watches loaded in. And I must say, I'm really pleased with this. Looks a lot better than the kind of tray I was using previously. So that's my current collection, neatly housed within there. There's a few that are likely to get relegated out of here, like the Apple Watch and my Pac-Man watch, because I'm just waiting for 3 new arrivals in the Ripley Beam version. That's the CED 049. Also waiting for my Casio World Timer that's going to be blinged up with a mod that I've just ordered over from Sean. Instagram I'll put in the description for this. Really looking forward to that. That's something I saw on Random Rob's channel. And also waiting back from a service from Rexworthy up in Newcastle, my Captain Willard original Seiko diver, which was my dad's, that's been on over 400 dives with him back in the day. So super excited to get my hands on that. Ordered a waffle strap for that over at Uncle Seiko, so I'll get that on the channel when I have my hands on it. So that's my collection. You'll notice a few of these have popped up now and again. Limited fodder for the Instagram so far. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed both the watch box and a little glance at my collection as a whole. Thanks everyone. And just to cap off the professionalism for the day, I totally forgot to include my my G-Shock Neo Tokyo, which is one of my favourites actually. Again, comically ridiculously sized for my wrist, but that'll be filling up that final number 10 slot there, so that's the final one. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed this one, please click like and subscribe, and consider following my Instagram at watchreactions. Have a great day.